Awesome here, and I'm so sorry I have been not been posting at all lately. I'm so sorry. And about officially Bryson toy review, the schedule is this week. He will be posting. Will be try to be posting every single Friday. So, but except for this week, this Friday, we are not going to be posting on that Friday. Um, he will be posting actually, I think tomorrow. So you will be seeing more of Bryson's toy review tomorrow. So yeah. So if you're wondering why why slimes are here, it's because I am showing you guys my slime collection, and I know you guys are wondering why is your slime collection so small. Well, because I actually threw a lot away, like a lot, because some of them weren't even stretchy, and yeah. So I'm sorry if you hear any noises in the background. Uh, so like I said, you guys might not be hearing it, but I am. So I don't know. So and also I will be putting beads into one of these slimes because two of these I made today. So yeah. So um yeah, let's get started. The first one that I have is called bubblegum slime. I call it bubblegum slime because whenever you stretched it, it felt absolutely like a bubblegum. So, yeah. So, just get all this. Actually, no, this one's not the bubblegum slime. Oh, because I had two slimes that. Oh, I threw that one away. I had two slimes that were the exact same color. So, I guess I threw my good one away instead of this one. Darn it. So, so this is how it is. Let's stand up. See it on? It's not really that stretchy. I meant to throw this one away, but might as well just show you. Oh man, my camera's falling. Okay, so you don't want to see this. Yeah, you don't want to see that. So go put that back up. So I'm sorry about that. I'm not going to put my beads in it because I want it to crunch. So on with the next one. So my next one is this glitter glue one. I forgot what I was going to say. Dang it. But yeah. So you can see the glitter is actually more like confetti. I don't know if you can see, but it's more like confetti instead of like actual glitters. Yeah. So I'm gonna take this out. And I think my brother wants me. So it's actually a little sticky because I haven't really been playing with it. So let's put that up. So here it is. So yeah, now I'm going to stretch it. I've not been playing with this, like I said, so I forgot how to stretch this like. It's starting to rip, so I'm pretty. And yeah, so I still play with it because it's more likely to a stress slime. So probably might become a stress slime. So here's that slime. So let's get on with the next one. So the next one I have is, ouch. So the next one I have is this orange one. actually made it like a long time ago. And I don't know if you can see, but like it looks like it's soda. Like it looks like there's gas bubbles in it. So I'm going to take off that part off because I do not want it to mix in with the other part. So I'm gonna, oh yeah, I really need to get that part off. So, it's okay. It's a lot. I mean, yeah. And this one's really sticky because I have also not been playing with it. This one's actually, I like to call it Jello slime, but I didn't really make it with Jello. That's the thing, because it looks like Jello. I don't know if we can see, but it looks like Jello, and that's why I actually call it Jello slime. It actually pokes really well. So I'm gonna stretch it. It's actually very runny also. Stick into my hand. So yeah, put that back. I don't know what to do with this. I'll just throw it away. Okay, so that was that slime. And I have a total of 5 to 6 slimes. So let's get on with the next one. Okay, guys. So this is the slime. No, this is the slime, and this is the slime I will be putting the beads in. These beads in. So why not do it now? No, actually, I'll just finish the other ones to reviews. Yeah. So this is how it is. Doesn't really have a poke to it, but yeah, it's okay. So I'm gonna. It's so hard to position the camera. Okay. So stretchy. And yeah, so now we're gonna go on to the next slime. So yeah. So here's the other slime. So here's the other slime, and this is the slime that I also. Can't get it out of the bag. This is the slime that I actually seriously just made. So yeah, it's actually really fluffy. And I did not make it without shaving cream. I use contact lens solution and baking soda, and sometimes lotion. I don't know, sometimes. So here it is. So it's very stretchy. It also is very runny. So pretty sure that's what makes it fluffy and stretchy. Yeah. So put that back in the bag. I put these in bags because I do not want to run out of containers. So now I'll be on with that other slime that I will be putting these beads in, and they are also glow in the dark beads. So yeah. So actually I decided to get some color and put it in here. So I will be going to get some markers because I don't have food going. So I have my marker box. And this is like from school from last year, so I don't really need it. I just use it like, I don't know why. So yeah. So color I think I'm going to be making is the same as this color with these beads in. So yeah. So we probably want to put the slime back in the bag. So I'm going to get blue, green, and there's another green in here, I think. Oh yeah, it's right there. So yeah, because one of the rooms only broken. Yeah. So I'm gonna put that aside. Ouch. Okay, so I'm gonna get this. I thought the camera wasn't recording for a second. That's why I paused. So I'm gonna get. Oh, okay, I'm gonna get these. What I do is I get this and this like this. So I just this. And sometimes it actually sticks to the marker, which actually makes